Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a user in Windows 11 using PowerShell. Are you ready? So let's get started. So first you should go to Start menu and type CMD and open it with run as administrator, okay? Yes. And first of all, I will show you how to create user in Windows 11 using CMD or PowerShell. And then after that, I will show you how to add this user to local group administrator. And at the end, I will show you how to delete the user. Okay. First of all, I will show you how to create the user. You can use it net user and the name of the user, test user, and you can name it anything you want. And then after that, you should click space and type your password. The password could be anything. I'm going to set the password as my password 2025, for example. And then / add, enter. Okay, as you can see, the command completed successfully. It means the user has been created successfully. User account test user, okay, with the password of my password 2025. Yeah. And now let's see if the user has been created successfully or not. You can list the users by using get a local user. Enter. Then PowerShell. Let's change it. Get local user. As you can see, the user has been created. As you can see, test user. Okay. First, I have created the user using this command, and then after that, I listed the user using get local user. As you can see, the user has been created. And now, how to add this user to a local group administrator by using net a local group administrators. And now you should write the name of the user, test user, and add. Okay, add and enter it. The command completed successfully. It means this user has been added to a group administrator. Okay, now I will show you how to delete the user. Net user and the name of the user, test user, / delete, and enter. As you can see, the user has been deleted successfully. That's how you can create user, how to add to local group user, and how to delete the user. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.